What's up, my beef-flavored Knorr cubes, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. And welcome to our Filipino food series, episode 10. Today, we are making Filipino beef caldereta. Let's do this thing. Let's game plan this episode out. 1, we make the Filipino beef caldereta. 2, we taste the Filipino beef caldereta. 3, I don't really know what 3 is yet, but let's keep it moving. We'll figure it out on the way. We are using an Instant Pot for this recipe. If you don't have one of these, don't worry. It's just one small change in the recipe that we need to make, and we'll go over it, so don't let that deter you. All right, our Instant Pot is on saute mode. It thinks it's just a regular pot on the stove. I'm gonna throw in a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. To that, I'm gonna add in 4 cloves of minced garlic and 1 diced medium onion. To that, we're gonna add 2 pounds of cubed up stewing beef, teaspoon of salt, and black pepper. And we're just gonna let this cook for a few minutes and get a nice sear. Now we're gonna add in 3 cups of water, and normally 1 can of tomato sauce, but I got these little rinky-dinky ones, so we're gonna add 2 of these. But 1 14-ounce can will do. And last, I'm gonna do 1 Knorr cube. It's gonna be so beefy. We're gonna give that a quick stir and throw the lid on. And we're gonna throw it on the meat stew setting. And this is the benefit of the Instant Pot. Only 20 minutes. To get that beef tender in a normal pot, you're gonna wanna cook it for an hour to an hour and a half. So you can still do it, just cook it a little bit longer, that's all. While that's going, let's prep some of our veggies. We got a carrot. Gonna peel the skin off quick, move that over. And we're gonna cut that up into bite-sized pieces, depending on how big your mouth is. Next, we got a potato, and same thing. Peel, and also cut into bite-sized chunks. All right, maybe a little smaller. Beautiful. Last veggie, thank God. Breakdancing red bell pepper. I can't stress enough that you need to make it breakdance. It just doesn't taste the same without it. And discard that. And we're just gonna do little pepper squares. Boom. Meet me at the stovetop. We got a pan, medium heat, grapeseed oil, tablespoon. Let's take our carrots and potatoes and give them a quick saute. Half a teaspoon of salt, pepper. And we're just gonna cook these for about 5 minutes to get some color. Notice I'm using the same spoon as before. 1 spoon recipes, it's gonna be the new trend. 1 pan or 1 pot recipes are stupid. If it takes you longer to remove some ingredients to cook others, then it does to just wash the pan. This pan right here, I can wash this in 5 seconds. Start the timer. Pan, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn it. Almost done. All right, like 8 seconds, but you get the point. Okay, but actually we're still at the part where we're sauteing the potatoes and carrots. I'm all over the place now. This is J-Max Amateur Kitchen, in case you forgot. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, and check it out. Our potatoes and carrots are done. And we got just a kiss of color. Our beef is done too, so let's go get this dish together. Come over here to our Instant Pot and release the pressure. Take the lid off. Ooh. Back on saute mode, we're gonna add in our potatoes and carrots, our red bell peppers, a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of liver spread. Let's give that a stir. We're gonna let that cook down for 20 minutes. Ooh, and look at that, it's thickening up nicely. Last thing I'm gonna do is add in a cup of frozen peas. We're just gonna let that cook for another 5 minutes, and we're done. And boom, we're done. Let's serve it up. All right, we're gonna grab a bowl, throw in some rice. And now first I'm gonna cover the rice with caldereta juice, and now the stew. All right, it's time to taste. All right. Oh no, another spoon. Oh well, 2 spoon recipes are gonna be all the rage. Let's do this. This tastes like my grandma's stew. So hearty, so delicious. How are we gonna outro this video out? Caldereta, it's Filipino stew. Stew while eating the Filipino stew? That's a stupid idea. Filipino beef caldereta. Filipino beef caldereta. Filipino beef caldereta. Oh my god, can't stay mad with this stew. Our last Filipino recipe for the series. But don't worry, this is so much fun and there's so much Filipino food out there that we're gonna revisit this again. There's just a series that I've been waiting to do. More on that later. But for now, thank you. For my Filipinos, salamat.